An Indian origin truck driver accused of killing 3 people in a horrific crash in California was not under the influence of alcohol or drugs at the time of the accident. That is the new finding from US officials who now say the case still qualifies as grossly negligent homicide. The driver, 21-year-old Jashanpreet Singh from Yuba City, was arrested last month after his semi-truck slammed into vehicles that were stopped in traffic in the city of Ontario. 3 people died and several others were left with serious injuries. Police first booked him on suspicion of drunk driving, but new toxicology report says there were no intoxicating substances in his blood. Even so, the charge of vehicular manslaughter with gross negligence still stands, along with a fresh charge of reckless driving causing injury. Dashcam and eyewitness footage shows Singh driving at high speed and crashing into vehicles that were already halted. Investigators say the crash was avoidable and happened only because of dangerous driving. The San Bernardino District Attorney called the incident, quote, a heinous tragedy and said Singh should never have been on the road in the first place. There's another layer to this story. Singh is an illegal immigrant who crossed the US southern borders in 2022. He was released while waiting for an immigration hearing but went on to work as a commercial truck driver. Because of the seriousness of the case and what officials call a high flight risk, he has been denied bail. This is now the second deadly crash in 3 months involving an Indian origin truck driver in the United States. In August, another driver, 28-year-old Harjinder Singh, was charged in Florida after allegedly making an illegal U-turn that led to another crash, killing 3 people. After that incident, US Senator Marco Rubio demanded an halt to foreign commercial driver visa, saying too many unqualified drivers were being allowed on American highways. He claimed that the trend is endangering lives and threatening American trucking jobs. With this latest case, the debate is likely to heat up again on border policy, on truck licensing, and on who should be held responsible when untrained or undocumented drivers get behind the wheel of massive vehicles on US roads. For now, Jashanpreet Singh remains in jail, facing multiple homicide charges and possibly federal immigration actions as well.